Hello guys, today we prepare a simple or easy blonde ale, a simple beer. It's the last beer that I'm making here in Thailand, so I try to finish all my ingredients. It's a super easy beer. Mono step. The only problem, if like me you have only one pot, you need to use the technique of BIAB, brew in a bag. I will use this kitchen bag filter. They say 100% satisfaction guarantee. I use it already. Here is very cheap. You can buy in do it yourself, but don't worry, if I find some link I will put under the video. So in the pot we have already 7 liters of water. We will do a mono step, but before we need to reach the temperature of 52 Celsius degree. I will put this bag inside, and after I will add 1 kilogram and 500 gram of pale malt, 200 gram of oak flake. Machine 10 minutes at 52 Celsius degree. So we switch off our stove and we wait 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we turn on the stove again and we should reach the temperature of 67 Celsius degree. Remember to stir. In this way the right temperature will be everywhere in the pot. Reach 67 Celsius degree, we turn on the stove and we cover and we should wait 1 hour. Remember after 30 minutes to check the temperature. If the temperature drop, you can on again the stove and bring back to 67 Celsius degree. After 1 hour we take other 3 liters of water and we put on the stove. This water needs to reach the temperature of 78 Celsius degree. We will use this water to wash our grain. Don't worry if you miss some ingredients, some steps, you find all the list of the ingredients under the video, and plus you will find this recipe in our book of homemade beer. So now you need to use a little bit of fantasy or a little bit of, I don't know how to say in English, creativity, because I will use the fermenter to filter the malt. So I will collect the bag with the grain, put inside the fermenter, and when the water reaches the temperature I will wash my grain. In Italy it's much easier because I have the big pot, everything is electronic and with the pump and the tap, super easy. L'uomo di casa also posted a video using another pot. We are trying different tools because in this way our book will be more complete. So probably we'll try also this other pot that is more simple but easy to use because it's a pot with a tap. But you will see the video when I go back to Italy. Please don't make a mess all around the kitchen, because I check all the dislikes are from women, so probably are your wife. They saw the mess, go on my video and put dislike. Please be careful. So if now the water reach 78 Celsius degree, we take the water and we wash our grain. We open the tap and we collect all our beer. Collect all your worts, you put the pot on the stove and you on the stove. When start boiling, you add the hop. I will add 5 grams of Apollo and I will boil 55 minutes. After 55 minutes, I will add 6 grams of Styrian Dana. Remember that I like strong taste of hops and bitterness, but will give a nice taste of hop. like IPA beer. If you don't like this style of beer, you can use different hops, and also you can reduce the quantity. The best way is to try, you make some experiment and you decide which one is the best for you. More hoppy, more sweet. Try to experiment with different malt and different hops, and also what you find and what is available in your country. These grains, they are inside here, now they are too hot. When they reach the room temperature, I will squeeze them and collect even more future beer that I will add in the pot. Don't worry, if you boil this was less 10 minutes or 15 minutes less, nothing will happen. The grain, remember, you can give to your animal. If you have chicken, pork, duck, they will like it a lot. Or you can do like me, I froze the grain and I use 200 grams every 500 grams of flour to make homemade bread. So up to you. After we add the other hop, and after other 5 minutes, so 60 minutes in total, we remove the pot from the stove, we put in the sink with the water, and we drop the temperature faster than we can. During this time waiting, I also sanitize my fermenter. How? Different of you ask me. You need only half glass of homemade liquor, you put inside, you shake your fermenter, and you leave it like this. The alcohol will sanitize your fermenter. Super easy. If remain a little bit of alcohol, will not change a lot your beer, and also if it's like a limoncello or whiskey or rum, will not change the taste of your beer. Don't worry. When reach the room temperature, we will filter directly in the fermenter. Original gravity 1046. This is the leftover from the preview fermentation, another beer that I already done. So this on the bottom is yeast, this on the top is beer. After, I will add 2 teaspoons of this yeast and the fermentation will start in few hours. On the lid of the fermenter I put the airlock. In the airlock I put homemade liquor, the same liquor that I used before for sanitize my fermenter. And after only 5 hours, the fermentation is super active. You can notice from the airlock is doing a lot of bubbles, and also from the foam on the top of the beer. After 6 days, the fermentation is almost finished. You can notice from the airlock and also from the yeast that now drop on the bottom. So now, if you like IPA style beer or the beer that have a lot of hops, you can add some hops inside the fermenter. I will add 5 grams of Styrian Dana and 5 grams of Apollo. But the problem is to avoid that the air entering the fermenter, because we don't want our beer get oxidated, so after it can become sour. So now I will remove the airlock, and from the ore of the airlock I will put the hops inside, and after 2 days we can put the beer in the bottles. After 3 days, the hops is on the bottom of the fermenter, so we check the final gravity, that is 1001. If you remember, the original gravity was 1046. The difference is 45 divided by the coefficient 7.5. The alcohol content at the moment is 6%, but because we need the re-fermentation in the bottle, so we add the sugar in the bottle, the final alcohol content will be 6.5, so perfect. How should be the amount of sugar in the bottle? Maximum 8/10 grams of sugar in 1 liter of beer. This bottle are 330 ml, so I will use 3 grams of sugar. Why you don't put the sugar in the fermenter? Because if we put like now and you want to melt the sugar, all the yeast will be mixed again and also all the hops. If not, you need to move the beer in another container, add the sugar, and more times you move your beer, more can happen that get in contact with the air, so get oxidated, so at the end could become a little bit sour. So the easy way is to put the sugar directly in the bottles. So now I will add the sugar, close with the machine or my bottles. I will try to put the link of the machine for the bottles under the video. See you to check at the end of the bottling process how much beer we have gained with this recipe. 7 liters of easy ale. At the end I decided to call it easy ale because it's not very clear, not very blonde, but it's almost a juicy IPA. So easy ale, I think, is a nice name. Plus I mix together half braggot and half easy ale because there was half glass of beer in the jar where I collect the yeast. You can do the same. At the end of the fermentation, you shake the fermenter and you pull your yeast in a glass jar, close with a lid and store in the fridge. Can last there at least 6 months. The only problem that now this yeast is mixed with hop, so maybe the beer will be a little bit more bitter than usual, so you need to find a way to balance your recipe. But experiment and you will know the right proportion the next time. So how long we should wait before the tasting? Minimum 2 weeks. The best will be 2 months. So keep the bottle at room temperature because now the sugar that we add need to ferment inside the bottles. After 2 weeks you can put in the basement or you can store directly in the fridge. Up to you. The color is already spectacular. If you want less colorful or more pale, instead of Pilsner malt you need to use pale malt. Let's test it. Spectacular. This kind of beer, the final result, is a most IPA style, but who follow the channel know that I like this kind of beer. If you want a normal blonde beer, you can use other kind of hops. This is more fruity, more lemonish, like the IPA beer, so it's bitter, but also with all this bouquet of taste. But don't worry, this recipe you can modify according with your taste. All the recipe that you will find also in our book. Let's test or pair the beer with the little salami spicy that I posted a few days ago with the homemade focaccia. Mm, mm, mm. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have buy our book, this one or the one of homemade liquor, let us know down in the comments, and also share your opinion about the book, because in September we will publish our new book about homemade beer. So if you want to give some advice, we can apply in the new book. Plus, if you have made homemade spicy salami, let us know down in the comment. If you try the focaccia, the no stress focaccia, super easy to make it, let us know down in the comment. Bye bye. Spectacular.